So your highest priority objective as a salesperson is number one, getting in front of new clients on a much wider scale. New clients, number one. Staying on top of mind for existing clients, because when you stay on top of mind for existing clients, then you can do what? You can do what? See, one thing is new clients. If you stay on top of mind for existing clients, what can you do in the future? Do you
Selling
think
and
the
reference.
referral is one thing, definitely reference is one thing. What else?
Upsell and cross sell.
Upsell and cross sell. Upsell and cross sell, that is the biggest factor. See, I'll tell you what, it's not important that you have to make $1 million through 1 million customers. Sometimes you can make $1 million through just 3 or 4 customers. I'm not saying that you should not contact new clients. Of course, you have to do that. But my point is, if you stay on top of new existing clients, then that gives you the opportunity to upsell and cross sell a lot more to the existing client. And that way you can make a lot more money with less effort. More money with less effort if you can stay on top of mind for existing clients. Third thing is perfecting your value propositions that so that clients are more motivated to buy regardless of market conditions. That is one thing you have to do. Whatever you do, whatever I've told you, no matter what I've told you, whatever you do not just sit and wait for good things to happen. Do not just sit and wait for the market to change. Do not just sit and wait for the market conditions to change. Do not do that, because if you just wait for good things to happen, if you're just waiting for good things to happen, you will keep waiting till you grow old. Okay, don't just sit and wait, otherwise you'll keep waiting till you grow old. You have to take action today. Win or lose, your actions should not change. Your actions have to be high all the time.